Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Hello, friends. As you can see, you see what I'm doing, taking all the Christmas decor down and getting it all put away. So this is what I decided to do this year. Last year, I pulled all the totes upstairs, filled them up, but then they're heavy to take back downstairs. So since my husband isn't home today, I thought I would take all of the ornaments off the tree, put them in this laundry basket because it's a lot lighter, and then take them downstairs and then put them back in the totes. So I have all my picks off the tree, and what I'm going to do is the gold ornaments and gold picks, I'm going to put them all together, and the red and green picks, I'm going to put those together. As you can see, I have a lot of the red and green ornaments here. This is how I try to keep them organized. And these ornaments have come from other arrangements. I just put them all in a bag, and they're easier for me to carry downstairs and manage them. And so that's what I'm doing. I say rolled up some of my ribbon. Those ribbon I'll probably just keep in bows and smash those down because I can reshape them for next year. And then the bathroom decor and pillows, I'm gonna put them in a, in another tote. And then I have all my rose gold and gold ornaments here in this tote, in this bag. So it makes it easy for me to take downstairs. So I am getting there. I have all of the garland off my steps in the foyer, off my credenza in the entryway. As you can see, I have nothing left in here from Christmas. And so, I'm making my way because I want to start the new year off with no Christmas. This stuff has been up here since the sort of like the right after Veterans Day. So I'm ready for it to be gone, y'all. I'm ready for new beginnings, okay? Keep watching. Okay, guys, this is my storage room. I am trying to organize in here. These are a lot of my Christmas totes. These are some, and I still have, some others upstairs. Well, I think this is it. I think that's enough, right? So these are the Christmas totes that are up here in the front. So I'm going to fill these all up with decor. I'm running up and down the steps, trying to get all this decor packed up and put away. Today is New Year's Eve. And you can see I took my Christmas tree down, and here in my family room, I'm chilling this afternoon, watching House Hunters, and I am cooking again. I took all the decor off my tier tray, so I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. How I'm going to decorate that, or even if I'm going to keep it here, because it's been up here for about a year, and I'm thinking, am I getting tired of this now? So I might not keep it up, but we'll see. Okay, over here, I had my favorite little Amazon skinny tree. That's all gone, and all the decor is gone off my table. I just popped that on there for right now. All the decor is gone in my living room, and you see my little worker bee over there. That's Iris, the iRobot. She's working today. Okay, so all the decor is down here, and all the decor is down off my entryway credenza. All the garland is gone off the steps. So I have been a busy beaver over here getting that stuff done. It took me all day yesterday, guys, but I'm just looking forward to the refresh. So I am, going to decorate for winter, after Christmas, but before spring. So check back in with me for some winter decoration inspiration. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.